Mbombela fanatics, and I'm your host, Lipomola, to the Mbombela Stadium to witness the Betway Premiership first game of the season. Newly promoted Mutsipa Foundation outfit running in the Betway Premiership. Pumalaga's very own Kruger United took on against Kaizer Chiefs in a game which ended the scoreline of 3-1 in favor of Kaizer Chiefs, prevailing by those 3 goals. Kruger! Man, ike ngibone njani lo mkhuluma nami nduna wena drop kwenzakaleni Coach Abraham kwenzakalani nduna yami bafana badlale second half before the half time ngiyalithola leli goal kuba 1-1 lapha. What went wrong
My brother? First of all, I would like to congratulate Kaizer Chiefs for winning the game. But above all, let me speak my language. We are here as Kruger United. History is made. First ever team from Bushbuckridge to play in PSL and to score against the big guns. Kaizer Chiefs. First half. Ball position. 70 against 30 against Kaizer Chiefs. But anyway, congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs. But anyway, Kruger, we are here to stay.
Coach Abraham bafana badlalile namuhla because the only 3 goals namhla game namuhla ureflect awuthini kuyi performance yabafana against a team lefana neKaizer Chiefs kuthi bebaqala kudlala kulezinga leli uyibona kuyi improvement or in the right direction kuthi kujabalazela beKruger ningathuki vele bekufanele sidlala neleteam lefana neKaizer Chiefs.
We have no pressure. We are here to stay. We are still gelling in as a team. Kruger United will bounce back. We just had a game, a league with a big game, but we are getting there. I won't blame the coach. The coach is good, but in the next game we need to have a real number 9. We did not have number 9. But anyway, Kruger here, Kruger Bushbuckridge. Be boycotting all the Bushbuckridge.